Jen, ain't nobody talking to you. You always saying something. You fucking piggy looking bitch.
What's up, YouTube? It's me, Desmarine, back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with IncolorWig hair. They sent me a frontal and I believe it's 26 inches or 24 inches. I'm going to put all the details in a bio. But yeah, I'm not going to be using the ball cap method because I'm going to take this wig right off. But the glue I'm going to be using is Dot by Key lace glue. I'm going to put her information on the screen too. But all I'm doing is evening out the glue. And y'all, when I tell you that the camera had stopped and I didn't even know and I just kept doing my hair, I was so mad. But like, I got other videos on my channel too that y'all can see, like, that's more in depth. But if y'all want like a separate tutorial on how I do my baby hairs, just comment that down below because the baby hairs take too long to just do it in the video. Once you apply the even layer of glue, just let that dry, air dry, or blow dry until it's clear so you can lay the lace. I like to use a rat tail comb just to press the lace into the glue so it can just melt.
Going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the look. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through, come through, come through.
This hair is so cute, but after I'm done pressing the lace into the glue, I like to take some Got2b glue spray and then just go over my lace again with the Got2b glue spray. And then I take the elastic band and tie it around my head so it can just give it that extra melt look.
Yeah. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the look. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through, come through, come through.
I'm just blow drying the hair because I ended up curling in front of it, but the back was still waved up. It was body wave, but when I wetted it, it's like the wave went away. I like to use a razor to cut my lace, or you can use scissors, but I feel like the razor just give it a more hairline looking look. But use whatever you prefer.
The studio, they already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the look. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going.
All I'm doing right here is separating the baby hairs from the big hair, basically Just take out as much as you need. I don't take out that much because I don't like my edges to be thick.
Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass.
Y'all, I ran out of storage and the camera had stopped and I didn't even freaking know. But this is IncolorWig hair. I really like this hair. It came like body wave-ish, but like when I washed it, the curls, like the body waveness like came out really. But I left it in the back like body wave, and then I curled the front of it. And I just did my baby hairs. Like I said, if y'all want like a in-depth baby hair tutorial, then I would do one. But I have videos on my channel on how I do my wig installs already. So if this is your like the first time watching it and you like this install, I have plenty of more installs on my channel that you can go look at. That's very detailed and whatnot. But I'm so sorry that I couldn't get like a lot of footage because this hair is so cute. It's so soft. It's a 26 or no, it's a 24 I think. But I'm 5'5" I think, or 5'5", 5'4", one of them. But it's some really good hair. I like it. I like the texture, all that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all in the next one.